Food and beverage manufacturing is remarkable for the critical requirements for cleanliness and quality control. This, particularly with regular washdown requirements, puts special challenges on the critical machinery in this industry. Food and beverage manufacturing is by far the largest manufacturing category, literally producing the things we need to survive. And within it, there's a tremendous amount of diversity, from bottled water to yogurt to ice cream to canned vegetables to beer. The process and the machinery is complex, and it varies tremendously. But there's also a foundation of common equipment and shared knowledge. In many of the industries we serve, pumps, motors, and general rotating machinery consume more energy than any other category of equipment. This is especially true in food and beverage production. And pumps are particularly challenging because the system efficiency is half of what it should be on average. This hidden problem is a major contributor to industrial consumption and waste. Our customers leverage KCF's technology to identify opportunities for energy savings and our expertise to optimize pump systems. Consumers benefit with reliable, high-quality products, lower prices, and knowing that the environmental impact is minimized. One of the key ingredients to nearly all food and beverage manufacturing is purified, filtered air and water. Additionally, nearly all sites have wastewater and waste recycling systems that are complex, sophisticated, and absolutely critical to production. Serving these applications is vital and challenging because of the criticality, the high throughput, and the shortage of skilled workers. But there's also a huge benefit because these same water and wastewater machines and processes exist in all our cities and our communities. KCF's role in elevating workers to proactively address issues in food and beverage is bringing a massive opportunity for ESG improvements in our community water and wastewater utilities. What I think is really remarkable about food and beverage is it's just so large but so diversified. And so our ability to serve these diversified applications is a massive growth area, not just for our company, but for all of industrial transformation. And it's not going anywhere. We need these products. And I think that's why you see this to be one of the fastest growing adopters of Industry 4.0 technology.